Good morning, students. Students of class 9th, welcome you all in this video. In this video, we will discuss the question answer of the lost child. As it is very interesting chapter, I think all of you know answer of these questions. First question is, what are the things the child sees on his way to the fair? Why does why does he lag behind? Answer is, on his way to the fair, the child sees toys, balloons of different colors, garland of gulmohar, a swing, and snake charmer playing a flute. He gets attracted towards all these things, so he lags behind. Question number 2. In the fair, he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? The child wants many things in the fair. He wants to have toys, different sweets, garland, balloons of different colors, and has a keen desire to enjoy the roundabout. He moves on without waiting for an answer because whenever he stopped to see things, his parents gave him a cautionary call. Come, child, come. Now see next question number 3rd. When does he realize that he has lost his way? How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? The child sees a roundabout in the fair and gets attracted to it. He wants to have a ride on it. He asks his parents for permission to enjoy it. Having no response on the part of his parents, he realizes that he has lost his way. He starts crying bitterly at once and runs here and there in search of them. Question number 4. Why does the lost child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? The lost child loses interest in the things he had wanted earlier because he got lost in the fair. He is panic stricken for being lost. Now he first wants his parents. He is afraid and feels unsafe. Question number 5. What do you think happens in the end? Does the child find his parents? Yes, I feel that the child finds his parents at last. The kind hearted person must have tried his best to find his parents. On the other hand, the parents of the child must have left no stone unturned to find their child. Now, see page number 6, top. Discussion. How to ensure not to get lost. It is very common that children get lost in fairs and crowds. Hardly a day passes when no child gets lost. It is the duty of both the parents and the children to ensure not to get lost. The parents need to be vigilant and more careful at crowded places. Before entering a crowded place, the parents should fix a point where the child should wait in case of getting lost. They should make the child memorize home address and telephone numbers, etc. They should put or pin up a note on the pocket of the child with full details. They should attend to the need of the child and never leave him behind in case he happens to stand at some shop. On the other hand, the child should hold the hands of his parents at a crowded place. He should keep an eye on his parents so as not to lose sight of them. In case of any emergency, the help of police help centers and media can be taken. Thank you, students.